Greetings. Let me share our journey about Endoscopy Tech Training Certification Program. This would not have been possible without philanthropy support from my institution, and I would like to share our 10-year journey. Whenever we go into the endoscopy unit, and we all realize that endoscopy technicians play a key role. They are key players, and when you look at the various jobs that they undertake, we are not surprised to learn and appreciate that they do many jobs. And we all want our technicians to be fully trained and ready to work. And when you lose a technician, you want to have a fully trained technician, but that is not possible in the current scenario across the country. To fix this problem, we started with an aspirational goal about developing endoscopy tech training program and with opportunities for professional growth for any endoscopy technicians, starting with a level 2 certificate, associate degree, and later on higher degrees. And in this journey, several institutions helped us along the way. Starting with the Houston Community College, we started on this journey in 2015, and with the help of an advisory board, we came up with a curriculum that was approved by the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools and the Texas Board of Higher Education, and launched the program in 2021. And here is the group that worked on this project, and we created a curriculum, 35 credit hours total, 19 credit hours dedicated to endoscopy. And because community colleges don't have experience in endoscopy technology, we decided to come up with a learning material with the help of an educator, Ms. Sanji Suresh, a medical illustrator, Ms. Angela Deal, and developed over 2,000 richly illustrated slides covering 19 credit hours. Later, this entire material was converted into 175 audio recorded videos, and these are available on the YouTube. And this was provided to the community college for free from the MD Anderson Cancer Center. And here is the first batch, second batch, and third batch that graduated with level 2 certificate in endoscopy technology. All of them were able to get employed before they graduated. In terms of how did they do compared to the experienced technicians in their knowledge, in green you see MD Anderson technician performance, blue first batch, yellow second batch. And they've done very well over a course of time, and all of them passed the ASGE test that requires 75% correct response. In 2024, the community college started offering level 2 certificate for currently employed technicians with experience by going through the prior learning assessment pathway, and that could be assessed taking the ASGE test. Now let me switch gears and talk about ASGE's contribution. Special thanks to the governing board for signing off and creating associate membership for endoscopy techs in 2022 and creating an online learning material specifically for the endoscopy technicians, 40 credit hours of learning material. And this was donated by MD Anderson Cancer Center to ASGE. In addition, anybody can join as associate member, but if your group pays group membership, your technicians and nurses can become associate members without paying a dime. they can access the learning material. They can also take the ASGE test, and that's been rigorously uh, evaluated. And so far, 90 technicians have obtained certification, majority of MD Anderson technicians, a lot from Mayo, Rochester as well. I would like to take a minute and share our master's input
Hi,
onto
I'm
this
Jerry Way,
subject.
Mount Sinai, New York. I'm a gastroenterologist that does a bit of colonoscopy. This program for endoscopic technicians is a landmark for ASGE. Actually, the technicians are the unsung heroes of gastroenterology. And the techs are the ones who take care of everything for us. The techs set up the equipment, they make sure everything functions, they take down the stuff afterward, they clean up, and they take care of everything that happens in the endo suite. And they're really unrecognized, and they've been unrecognized for years and years. And this program will, for the first time, show them how much we appreciate them. They are the backbone of gastrointestinal endoscopy. The program here will allow them to actually be recognized as graduates of a specific ASGE program that's tailored only for endotechs and has never been done before. So this is a pathway for the future for them, and I encourage all of the endotechs to participate in this program, take the program. The more educated that our techs become, the better they can do their jobs. So we in the ASGE really appreciate the techs, and this will give them an opportunity to show their knowledge and their persistence in the ability to perform their tasks efficiently and well. So congratulations for this program. It looks like it's going to be great for all of us.
So let me switch gears and share with you something exciting happening at my institution. And at Anderson, we started a 12-week abridged program. The entire 19 credit hours of material uh, is being taught in a 12-week program that we just started. And this will be good for not only technicians to learn, but also nurses who are joining endoscopy. In summary, the Houston Community College offers Level 2 certificate, associate degree in endoscopy technology, prior learning pathway for experienced technicians to obtain Level 2 certificate. The ASGE offers associate membership for technicians, access to learning material on the ASGE website, and offers the ASGE test for PLA recognition, and the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center offers 12-week endoscopy technology training program. There are so many opportunities for us to help our technicians and nurses to learn better. This whole venture is made possible by many, many people, and I'm grateful to them. And I'm also grateful to my mentor, John Stroline, and I would like to dedicate this work, whatever I contributed, to Dr. John Stroline. Thank you.